Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Elisha. What I'll be introducing to you is one of the most elite earning apps. It's major, things are happening there, and it's pretty easy to earn on this app. I will leave the link in the description section. If you're interested, you can just hit it. For now, what I'll be showing you is how to set up your account. After demonstrating how to do that, I'll need you to follow through the steps. You set up an account, and when you're done, let me know so that I roll out more videos on how to do other things on the same app. Please don't let this video be a flop. Leave a comment in the comment section, and remember to like the video, share with other people of the same interest of earning on different online apps. So let's get started. So this app is called BoloUp Pro. That's the one which is in the top right. So I'm gonna open it. I have installed it already. I'll leave the link in the description section, or you can search for it on Google Store or App Store. Once you install it, you set up the account, let me know so that if you don't belong to any agency, we can bring you in. If you want to reach out to me so that we happen to have a one-on-one interaction on how you have to do things on this app, you can actually reach out to me on the Telegram group. I will leave the link for the same group in the description section as well. So I'm actually kickstarting this app. What I do is I have to allow, and then when you get here, you see there are actually three options by which you can log into this app. You can use your Telegram account, you can also use your phone, or you can use your Google. I'll use my Google. I'll go by my Telegram. So when you get here, you need to choose the country that you belong to. So you can click the drop down menu there and then choose the country here. Then you also punch in the phone number. Okay, the United States. Okay, so they'll tell you they've sent you a message. If you use Telegram, you will simply head on to Telegram and accept the request that will be sent to your Telegram account. If it's your Google, obviously they'll send you the code that you need to follow up, copy, and then paste it in BoloUp. Then you accept. And then from here, you simply click next. So I'm logging in with my Telegram account. Boom. So here, make sure you choose the correct gender. If you're male, choose male. If you're female, choose female. But all I know is if you're feminine, these apps favor feminines big time. If you're a man, the best way you can ever earn on such apps as these ones is to learn how to play games, which I'll be teaching you. So it would be wiser for you to stay subscribed and make sure you turn on the notification bell so as never to miss any post that I will ever make. So I'm gonna go by male since I'm male. If you're feminine, go by female. Don't make a mistake of selecting male when you're female, because feminines are favored on these apps. So you actually be deprived of some of the privileges. So click OK after. Okay, so they're saying 7 days sign in. So I'm gonna collect rewards. Click collect rewards. The gift to be put into your bag. So just click OK. and check out, there are people here already. So the next thing that I would do is, if I want to finish up the setting up of my account, I need to click me, that is in the bottom right corner, and here I am. So just for creating an account, I'm given 50 coins for doing nothing. Okay, so my level is showing here. Become a host. If I have to become a host, I have to become a host from here. Then first beauty, my invitations. Okay, so here you need to invite more people. The more people you invite, the more commission you're given. So I don't know, people always have a negative attitude towards clicking the links that we leave in the description section. It's not like the money that you'll be making will be. What we receive is commissions for inviting people. Equally, if you begin to operate on this app and you begin to invite people, you'll be given commissions for inviting people. Okay, so we can hit settings. Okay, so you can actually sign up from here. Account security, when I click there, you check out this. What has been bound is my Telegram account. If I want, I can actually bind this with my WhatsApp account, my phone number. Yeah, now that one will actually maximize the security. If you happen to tie this account with so many accounts, we can go by WhatsApp, but this actually you would definitely set them up or by yourself. You simply click there, you walk through the steps. Let's move back. Profile. Okay, so if okay, there we go. Recharge gift pack. You see what I told you. It's pretty simple to earn on this app. So when you happen to recharge and time is ticking there, you're given 2,400 and you're given 40%. Okay, so now we can now set up the birthday, the country, the language, and then we can also change the name here, nickname, but I would rather leave it like this, just like that. Then you can also bring in the photo, then we say upload. This will take us to the albums on the phone, so we can upload. We can choose the perfect pic from here, you understand, and upload it. All right, so after you've uploaded the 4 pics, you can now click back. You see all of them will be passed. Okay, and then from here you'll be able to see your ID. So if an agent asks you to provide your ID, you'll be able to see it from here. You can change the birthday. If you want, you can now change the avatar here on top. When you click on top there on the pic, you can because the one which is there is the one from my Telegram. If I want, I would leave it just like that, or I would upload my own. So I click upload and boom, I have this one. So I will need to click in the top right to approve this. And check out the saying in review. So this will be passed or flagged. All I have to do is wait. All right, so after setting up your account, you can as well take a look at the tasks which are available on this app. In most cases, when I introduce people to new apps, the first thing that they check on is the tasks. So they head on to the task center and they go like, no, we can't find the task center. So the tasks are here. You click here and you check this one out. So all those that I was doing, I uploaded the avatar and I've been given 25 coins there, so I have to claim that. And they say bind phone number. I've done that, so I'm claiming this 25. Okay, then you can swipe up to check follow Twitter, turn on notification, join Telegram channel. They also have a Telegram channel. Monthly tasks, invite one new user to register 500. Get one super win by sending lucky. All these you have to do them from here. So let me demonstrate how to do this. Let's say bind the phone number. I've claimed this. Then edit nickname. Okay, so I'm gonna click go. What's my nickname? Nickname is here, so I can edit this and turn it to hardboard. So we can say agent hardboard, then click OK. So that task has been done. So whoever is looking for me, they'll need to search for agent hardboard. I'm gonna go back. You've seen that just by editing the name. I'm gonna claim that. Claim. Then from here we can also do these others. Bind the Google account. You go follow Facebook, follow Twitter page. You receive all those pretty simple. If I want to join their Telegram channel, I simply hit go and I'll be taken to Telegram, right? Where I will need to. Okay, so here we go. Slow down. Okay, so at the bottom there, it reads join. So I've joined their Telegram group, and for so doing, I'll be given the coins. So I'm gonna hit back till I'm taken where I was. Okay, so this one here has been done, and so if you just manage to do all these so far, check out, they're saying newbie tasks 100 out of 350. So I've received all those by simply doing the simple tasks that you've seen me doing. So I will be showing you how to do the other tasks so that you're fully acquainted with this app. So make sure you like the video, share the video so as to push it further to the audience on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed.